It's time to rethink revenue. Let's talk about how Facebook and LinkedIn are using your attention as their product. Let's go. So here we are on LinkedIn. Let's look at this with new eyes. If we go to our regular feed and we start to scroll, I want to show you guys something that is brand new and it's crazy. LinkedIn is just like Facebook now. If you go through your feed and scroll down, you'll find these posts that are promoted. If you go to the three dots over here, I got a little magic for you. Why am I seeing this ad? What I'll find is Panasonic North America wants to reach members based on their profile location. Panasonic North America wants to reach the demographic segment based on age similar to you. You can click over and you can start to see exactly the same thing that Facebook offers, just on a little bit lower level. The concept here is it's an ad. Your feed is filled with them. What I've done is gone through and started doing some counting. Within the first two posts, there's always a promoted ad now. And then as you scroll, it's going to be every fourth, fifth, or sixth post is another advertisement. So as we scroll through here, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is an ad. That's the fifth post. So American Technology Consulting is advertising to me. And again, we can do the three dots thing here. Why am I seeing this ad? And you've got ATC wants to reach members who belong to specific groups. ATC members want to reach based on profile location. You can keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Every fourth, fifth, or sixth post is going to be an ad on LinkedIn. If we go over to Facebook, you get the same thing. I'm going to go in my feed here. Just going to pull up Facebook, and I'm going to scroll through here. Within the first two posts, you're going to get a sponsored link. Sponsored. Same thing. You click these dots. You got, why am I seeing this ad? Now you get some deeper detail here because Facebook's ad platform is much more robust than LinkedIn's. So I may have visited ClickUp website, speak English 25 and older. That's still a little weak when we get some of this ad stuff, but I guarantee you 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth one. I got a little deeper in the ad set and they know I'm kind of wasting some time here. So let's see what this says. Wants to reach people similar to their customers. As you scroll through here, you're going to find ads every fourth, fifth, or sixth post. Sometimes they get aggressive as every third post. They're using your attention as their product. The whole concept here is they have something to offer, which is your social mechanism. Could be personal, could be family, could be recreational, could be professional, just depending on what your perspective is. But what they want to do is they use your attention as their product. For more on 0-point selling, I'm Mark Perrone with Rethink Revenue, where we discover, disrupt, and rethink the way business is done today. Reach out, comment, subscribe, give us a few likes. Can't wait to hear from you. Good fortune.